Okay, this is lesson 77. I'm sorry about the glare here. This is about the best I can do. Um, let's see if this is any better. Better? But then, no, that's not any better. Okay, this is lesson 77. We're going to do the surface area and volume of cones. And the volume of a cone is the same as the volume of a pyramid. The formula is the same. So you're going to take the volume of cone and a pyramid is equal to a third, because this is about a third of like a cylinder would be. A third, and then the area of the base and the altitude or base. That is the basic formula for all of them. All volumes are area of the base times the altitude, straight up and down height. That is the formula for a cylinder, for everything. Okay, and with a cone and a pyramid, they're about a third the size of a cylinder, so you're going to use the third. So here, if we have a radius of 3, a perpendicular straight up and down altitude height of 5, then we are going to have 3 squared times the 5, and we end up getting the volume is equal to 47.1, whatever units it is, cubed. Remember, a volume is cubic units. Okay. If we do, let's look at the surface area. Well, with the surface area now, we do the lateral area plus the surface area. The lateral area plus the base equals the surface area. So the lateral area does not include the base, then the base area, and then that equals the surface area. So the lateral area of a cone, and that's like taking this part off. You're not going to include your base here, and just peeling it out and getting the lateral surface area. And when you do that, there's a formula. You're going to need this height and say the slant height, which is 7 inches, the slant height here, and then the radius of the cone is 3, and the lateral area is equal to pi r and the slant height. So that is equal to pi 3 times 7, and this one then ends up being the lateral area, if you multiply the pi in there, 65.97 inches squared if this is inches. Remember, it's a square, so you're peeling this off, and since this is a circle around here, you're using pi r for the lateral area. Now, if you want the surface area on here, what you're going to end up doing to add the surface area is you're going to add in the area of the circle. So you have got the lateral, you're going to add in the area of the base here, and the area of the base, you're going to add to that. The area of the base is pi r squared, so this would be plus pi r squared, or pi 3 squared, which is 9, and then that would be added to this, whatever that ends up being. I'm not sure. I'm not doing the one. I'll do another one that's from the book. Whatever that ends up being, and then that would be your inches squared, whatever that added to, and that would be your surface area, because remember, it's the lateral area, and which excludes the base, plus the area of the base. Okay, so let's do one. calculating the surface area of a cone. We'll do one with some numbers here. And say we have a cone, and the slant height is 5 centimeters, and the radius is 4 centimeters. And we're going to do the lateral area. The lateral is equal to the formula they have in the book, which is pi r and then 5. That's the lateral area. And then to that, you will add the area of the circle if you want surface area. Anyway, this is a lateral area. If you want surface area, you're going to have 20 pi plus the area of the circle, which is pi r squared, or 16 pi. So now you have 20 pi plus 16 pi. The surface area is 36 pi. And that includes the whole figure, okay? The lateral and the surface area. And I think that covers that section, section 77.